Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you another fun-filled and easy DIY using items from the dollar store and more. And if this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome. And I do hope you will consider giving me a thumbs up for today's DIY. All right, everyone, let's get into the items and what we're using for today's easy and fun DIYs.
All right, everyone, here are the items that we're using for DIY number 1. Okay, we have our tray here, and we are going to use some black spray paint and take it outside and paint our tray all black, and then I'll come back when it's dry. All right, everyone, here's our tray all spray painted and dry. So now we're going to come in with some of our Glam sheet here and add it going around our tray. So our Glam sheet comes with some self-adhesive on the back. So I'm just going to peel that back, and for the beginning I'm going to add some of our E6000 to help hold it in place so it doesn't lift. Okay, so now that's all done, I'm going to be using some of this mirrored tiles that I got from Temu. Again, they have a self-adhesive on the back, so we're just going to peel them off and add them to our tray. Okay, now that we add our mirror tiles to the outside, we're going to add some more of our Glam sheet going right around the outside of our tray. And now I'm just going to remove the protective plastic from the mirrors. And here is our finished look of our Glam tree. It was so fast and easy to make. Using items that you get from the dollar store and more. And just add your little touch and you have a nice piece of decor for your home, or like I always say, or a gift for a loved one. And here's our tray with some items inside. You can place anything you like within this tray and also place it anywhere throughout your home that you desire. It's a nice piece of home decor. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our DIY number 1. Now here are the items we're using for DIY number 2. So I'm going to start with lining off the bottom part of our vase with some painter's tape. Now I'm going to use some of this crushed glass, and I'll be using some Mod Podge to help lay it going around our vase. So I'm just going to continue adding our crushed glass all the way around our vase, and I'll set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, so now our crushed glass is all dry. I'll be going over once again with some more Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass. And now that I'm finished, I'm just removing the painter's tape, and I'll set it aside to dry. Okay, it's a few hours later, and now our crushed glass is all dry and sealed into place. So now I'll be adding some of this gold chain using some E6000 going around our vase. Now I'll be adding some of our Glam hearts that I got from Totally Dazzled. And I'll just be using some hot glue. And now I'm going to be adding one of the crowns I got from Totally Dazzled right on top using some E6000. And here is our finished look. I call it my Glam Princess Vase. Doesn't it look lovely with the crown and the heart from Totally Dazzled? Oh, I love how this one turned out. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to share for you. And the links for everything that I use will be down below in the description bar. Just click on show more or the little arrow that's pointed down. And I do hope you will give me a thumbs up for today's 2 DIYs. I'd really appreciate it. Alright everyone, remember as always to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.